think I stay up and live again. Almost time I grown up to be a man of the best. So once I took my eye up to see